Now, this is the second type of video using image source. The image which you are seeing is the cover page of the book called The Secret. I read this book in the year 2008 and it changed my perspective towards life. When I started teaching, I used to tell my students that don't be a positive or don't be a negative, just do your work. And after reading this book, I have realized that I was wrong. What I have learned from this book is positiveness always brings positiveness and negativeness always brings negativeness. But that does not mean that all the time you have to think positive. Sometimes negative thoughts also come in our mind. So there you need to understand that is reality. You have to accept it and move on. One should not stuck there. The second important thing which I have learned from this book is whatever you think in your mind, you are going to hold it in your hand for sure. You will get that thing on next moment, next minute, maybe next hour, next day, next month, or next year, or next janam. But definitely you will get that thing for sure. But remember one thing, never doubt on yourself. Never doubt on what you have thought of. Because doubt is the starting point of negativeness. And now you know that negativeness always brings negativeness. I would also like to bring to your notice that merely being a positive person is not enough to get what you want. For that, massive action is needed. Of course, your massive action will depend on your potential, and you are the only one who knows better your potential than any other. So, one should be very focused towards their goals. Your focus should not be on what is wrong. You know why? Because your focus dictates your energy. So, if your focus is on only wrong things or negative things, then you can imagine about your energy. Always remember, my dear student friends, our mind is never the problem, our mindset is the problem.